If you ever walk into a big box store for flooring, you know the feeling. Bright lights, long aisles, huge signs screaming sale. It feels safe, familiar, cheap. But here's the truth most homeowners learn too late. Flooring is not a toaster. When big box flooring fails, it fails slowly, quietly, and expensively. This is not a hit piece. Big box stores do some things well, but flooring is one place where the system itself works against you. Let's walk through the 9 biggest mistakes homeowners make when they trust big box flooring and what to do instead. Simple words, just clarity. Number 1, thinking flooring is just a product. Big box stores sell boxes. Homes need systems. A flooring project is not just planks. It is subfloor prep, moisture movement, expansion gaps, transitions, sound, and traffic patterns. When one part fails, the whole floor pays the price. At big stores, the product is the hero. In real home, installation is the hero. If the installers rush, underpaid, or not trained on that specific floor, problems show up months later. Gaps, buckling, hollow sounds, click that never stop. Flooring only works when the system works. Number 2, assuming installers are their guys. This one surprises people. Most big box installers are not employees. They are third-party crews paid by the job. Lowest bid wins. Speed matters more than care. That means new crews rotate in and out. No long-term accountability, little incentive to slow down and do it right. When something goes wrong, the store points to the installer. Installer points to the product. You are stuck in the middle, holding photos and frustration. No single throat to choke. Number 3, believing the warranty will save you. Warranties sound comforting. They're also full of fine print. Most warranties do not cover improper installation, subfloor issues, moisture conditions, labor after install. So when your LVP flooring starts lifting or engineered hardwood floors start gapping, the claim often dies quietly. The product might not be replaced. The labor usually is not. You pay twice. Number 4, choosing price before purpose. Big box pricing looks sharp upfront. Long-term bill is blurry. Many floors sold cheap are thinner, weaker, or have softer cores. This matters in real homes with kids, pets, and sunlight. For example, thin vinyl plank cracks at joints. Software layers scratch fast. Weak locking systems fail under movement. Cheap floors are not bad people. They're just not built for every home. The right floor depends on how you live. Number 5, ignoring subfloor reality. Big box installs assume flat floors. Most homes are not flat. When subfloor prep is skipped or rushed, floor installation problems appear fast. Floors flex, joints fail, sounds echo. Proper prep takes time. Time costs money. Big box pricing rarely allows for both. A flooring installation contractor who owns the job will slow down here. Big box systems usually cannot. Prep is invisible, but failure is loud. Number 6, no real guidance, only options. Big box stores give choices, not advice. Aisles full colors will help with moisture risk, sun exposure, noise concern, long-term plans. You end up choosing what looks good today, not what lasts 10 years. A true flooring store near you should ask questions first, not point at boxes. Guidance beats selection. Number 7, one size fits all installs. Big box installs follow scripts. Same install method, different homes. This is how problems start. Some floors need glue. Some need underlayment. Some need acclimation time. Some do not belong on certain slabs at all. When installers are paid fast, nuances appear. Homes are unique. Your home too. So install should be too. Number 8, service ends at checkout. Once the receipt prints, support fades. Call centers, tickets, waiting. You feel like a number, not a homeowner. Local specialists survive on reputation. They answer calls because their name is on the floor. Big box brands survive on volume. Accountability matters after install. Number 9, confusing convenience with safety. Big box feel easy. Easy is not always safe. Flooring mistakes are expensive because they touch everything. Furniture, trims, doors, daily life. The safest choice is rarely the fastest one. Slow clarity beats fast regret. So what actually works? Not hype, not pressure, a simple, proven process. The right flooring partner, help you choose based on how you live, controls both product and installation, explains risk before you commit, stands behind the job years later. Whether you choose hardwood flooring, waterproof vinyl flooring, laminate flooring, or waterproof hardwood, the process matters more than the brand. Guidance is the product. Final thought. Big box flooring does not fail because people are bad. It fails because the system is built for speed, not stewardship. If your floor matters to you, slow down, ask better questions, choose a flooring partner, not a pallet. Your future self will thank you every time you walk across the room.